And now we're going to be making our potato salad. This is our first variation. We'll start off by adding 2 whole baked potatoes in there. Throw some chopped celery and some diced green peppers. Throw a handful of our yellow onions. And then about 1.5 cups of Miracle Whip. After that, about 2 tablespoons of brown spicy mustard. About a good heaping tablespoon of sweet pickle relish. And some horseradish sauce. Some fresh horseradish. So good in this. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. And then we're just going to mix this up. Now you want to let this sit overnight, or if you don't have the time, try to let it sit for at least a couple hours. That way all the flavors will mix together, and there you go, potato salad.